Right now, thousands of satellites are silently orbiting Earth. They guide airplanes, track storms, and power GPS, internet, and global communications. But imagine something impossible happened. Every satellite suddenly fell from the sky. Today, more than 10,000 active satellites orbit our planet. Some sit just a few hundred kilometers above Earth. Others orbit 36,000 kilometers away. They form an invisible infrastructure that modern civilization depends on every second. If every satellite vanished at once, the first impact would be immediate. GPS signals would disappear. Airplanes would lose precise navigation. Ships crossing oceans would lose their positioning systems. Your phone's map would stop updating. The global positioning network that quietly guides the world would suddenly go silent. Next would come the sky itself, thousands of satellites falling back toward Earth. Most would burn up in the atmosphere, turning into streaks of light across the sky. But some fragments could survive the fall, pieces of metal and electronics crashing back to Earth. Luckily, the planet is mostly ocean and empty land, so most debris would fall harmlessly. We'd know worse. The hidden consequences would begin. GPS provides precise timing signals used by banks, power grids, and financial markets. Without that timing system, transactions could fail. Stock exchanges might pause. Even power networks could struggle to stay synchronized. Weather forecasting would also take a major hit. Meteorologists rely heavily on satellite imagery to track storms across the oceans. Without satellites, hurricanes could grow unnoticed until they approach land. Forecast accuracy would drop dramatically. Satellite, internet, and television would disappear overnight. Remote communities would lose connectivity. Farmers who rely on satellite crop monitoring would lose valuable data. Global shipping routes would become less efficient. The modern world would suddenly feel far less connected, but humanity wouldn't stay grounded for long. Space agencies and private companies would launch new satellites. Navigation networks would be rebuilt. Within a few years, Earth's orbit would slowly fill again. Our world may look grounded, but much of modern life depends on machines floating quietly in space. And without them, civilization would look very different.
Welcome to Nebula Paradox.